Hello students, in this class, I'm going to show you how to create art project for your, when you're working in RStudio. Art projects are the best way to organize all your data files in R, including your art script, art markdown files, HTML documents, or any support file that you want to keep handy when you're working with your R codes. As you can see in this screen that I'm sharing right now, this is the screen of RStudio. And if you notice on the top right, where it says project, it says none. That means I'm not working from inside any R project. This is the basic template or the basic screen that you're going to see in your R studios. Let's create an art project. My recommendation is create first a folder on your computers. As you can see here, this is my document folder in my computer. And inside documents, I'm going to create a folder called LAY or the name of any class that you want to create a project for, or any project that you're working, new data set that you're analyzing, you're writing a book, you're writing a page based on art codes, anything. So in this case, for the classes, you can call it ALY 2010 if you're in this class with me, 6000 or 6010. Any class that you're taking, okay, I'm going to call it 00 for now, for all the classes, and then lowercase dash R project. This name is any name that you want to create, okay? So as you can see, I created a folder called R project. Double click. As you can see, this folder is empty inside. Again, my recommendation is start by creating one folder to store all your data sets. And for my class, I recommend my students to use the name data sets. Capital D, capital S. This can be any name that you prefer, but for the class and to keep it standard among all the students, let's use data sets. Once you have created this folder in your computer, now you can go to your RStudio, go to the top right, and click down new project. As you can see, I had a list of projects I'm working right now. I can clean this list, clear project list. Just, okay, I just clear it just to start fresh. I'm going to select new project. And since you already have a file, I'm not going to say what I'm doing right now. Since you already had a folder, you can select existing directory. Existing directory. It's more easy to know where your folder is located in your computer, so you can go back and work in that computer. Add new files, change the names to the files that you want to change, delete files, and most important, copy and save new data sets. You're going to learn that in a different video. We're going to use existing directory. Click this and then browse. And after browse, look for your folder in your computer. In this case, the folder in this computer is in this documents 6000 art project. Okay, when you're inside your main folder, click in that folder only once, like this, only once. I click in the I don't open it, just click once and then click open here. As you can see, it appears in this browse window and click create project. Just wait for a moment. And if you notice the top right now, it says ALY, the number of the class, art project. So now we're working inside the project. All your work that you do for the classes, make sure that you're working inside that art project. And if you go to the tab, files, now you will see the data set folder. If I click this data set, it's empty because we don't have any C in that folder yet. I can go back to the main folder, our project, and if you go to the folder that we created now, you see that we had a file called LLY, name of the class R project, and it's an R project file. See? This is all that you have to do for now. Make sure from now on that you're always working for the R project, and all the files that you create will be saved inside the main folder. Okay. When you're ready to close a project, do not use the X button from the window. Always start by clicking close project. And before, when you click close project, I will ask you to save any work that has not been saved. I'm going to give you an example of an R script file. If I create a new R script file, and I'm just going to write that for now. If I click close project, it's going to ask me if I want to save it. I'm going to cancel this for now, but I'm going to save the file, and I'm going to call it R script 1 and save it. Look what happened in the files folder. See, now it appears there. And it's ready for you anytime that you want to use it. If you go to the Windows Explorer, now you can see inside the ARY project that our script file has been saved. In everything that you work in your RStudio inside the R project will be saved inside the same folder. Okay, thank you.